After signing up for Coinbase, you'll need to complete the setup process to start trading and managing your cryptocurrency. Follow these steps to ensure your account is fully operational. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Coinbase. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your account. This step is crucial for securing your account and enabling full functionality. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the security settings. Enable two-factor authentication to RFA by linking your mobile number or using an authenticator app. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 3. Complete identity verification. Go to the identity verification section of your account settings. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Upload any required identification documents as prompted to comply with regulatory requirements. Step 4. Link a payment method. In your account settings, find the payment method section. Choose to link a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Follow the instructions to add your preferred payment method, which will allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Step 5. Set up your wallet. Once your payment method is linked, navigate to the wallet section of your account. Here, you can create a wallet for different cryptocurrencies. Make sure to familiarize yourself with how to send and receive funds using your wallet. Now that you have completed the setup process on Coinbase, you are ready to start trading and exploring the world of cryptocurrency. Remember to keep your account secure and stay informed about market trends.